Hi, my name's Lindsay. I'm a senior here at Tenney. This is our hand that our engineering class created. And basically, it's made up of these 3D printed parts. We have different ligaments that are connected by hinges, and then they're connected to each other by string. And it's all powered by batteries, which you just flick a switch and it turns on.
So she's not gonna do that.
So it works. It's not. And then it goes like
Do
that.
the thumb.
Yeah.
Do the thumb.
Okay. Okay. And then that's the thumb.
Although I'm a joke. Everything here you can see as the main part of the hand, including the palm, the little bit of the area that should be the wrist and the fingers. All that was 3D modeled and 3D printed. All the 3D modeling was done by hand on a 3D modeling software and was made completely from scratch. We went through 9 iterations of each section of the finger.
Okay. That was Fox, by the way.
Yes.
Introduce yourself, Elizabeth. Introduce yourself.
All right. I'm Eliza. I'm also
Closer.
a senior here. Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Eliza. I'm also a senior here, and I'm going to be talking about the back of this. So these wires are connected to the motors, which in turn connect to the switches, and then alligator clips connect the bottom of the switches to the batteries, which powers the entire thing.
And I'm their teacher, Nancy Litt. Does anybody have any questions for us? Yes.
How long did it take to make this?
We started this project at the beginning of January, and so they did it during their lab time, and probably last month of school during their regular school time also, they were working on this project. So it took a long time to put it together. Anything else? All right.
What's their favorite part?
What is your favorite part?
I think seeing it work. That was my favorite part. Yeah, what about you?
You go ahead.
Definitely not the part where I was told that I screwed up the measurements.
Yeah. For me, it was learning how to use 3D software to help make some of this stuff.